Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
When it concerns other masses, they are very good at streaming my views, and that no matter. That no mean say we're not going to pass our message. So my people, you can see the topic right there. Message to Edo people. Some Edo people. The message was not right. I'd already entered before I noticed there's a little bit mistake. I could have said some, not all. Sorry for the write-up. Some Edo people, please leave Destiny Ibagwa alone. Please. And you see the other picture there, Comrade Tony Kabaka Adun, as he's going for the APC youth leader in Edo State. And you see the other of our brother there, Obaze. Those three people is what we are going to be talking about this evening. Please do us a favor by sharing this video. First, let's start as the picture today, then I want to follow. First, let's start with a man I respect, Ambassador Destiny Ibagwa. There is something I want to make Edo people understand these days. And I'm not to go far. The truth is that some Edo people should understand, mostly some Edo people on social media should know that Destiny Ibagwa have nothing to do with whatever you guys are talking about. Whether doing this, doing that, I don't really know what you guys are trying to present. Destiny Ibagwa have moved on. The man, the boy, he don't waka go. Make you dey think about your own life. You dey think about your own life. Okay, we made the insult. You made the insult Destiny Ibagwa for social media. Hey, no. You know they look your life. Arewe boaha, amebeaha, awinaha. You know, you know the look. That make a if I shall say person big, he big past me. I hardly the gossip. Because the time I will take the gossip, he go they make money, me go put your matter for it. And me no go they make money. We know whatever need Destiny. Oh, but now with social media, me no we na yo we no re we boga umebe umwina any achieve of that age. Have you achieved it? We got move. So they on keep you mute. People still keep Destiny Ibagwa still keep on a mute. You guys as only in winere na what? Oh no, why genesis of in winere na water. Because some of us on social media, we are not good at any other thing. We are very good of doing what our castigator. That is your feed. That is most of our feed. Is to castigate people, or we are claiming right, or we are claiming decent, or we are claiming we want to say the truth. Destiny have moved on. When the Destiny was, oh, good evening, brother. I greet you, bros. Hello, bro. When in Mawagwana, Destiny is looking for another level, where he want upgrade go. He have moved on. Oh, mego no mabule. Oh, man, no mego no baloni mego no mego bego no. He's a businessman. He's a philanthropy. He's a repeat. We are here. What do go do available? Not do He's a philanthropy. I think they so in the plan other business name what do it. Give me go they bring more owo to your wo in case you don't know. Good evening. But with the social media, Destiny Ibagwa, now you are the most evil person, you are the most kind person. Who give a F about you? Does your social media really matters? Does it make any impact in people's life? You they talk people matter. Just like as me they do a Procona. Who me they talk matter big past me. Imebe, imwina, irewebo. Omanu we go gwa. Gege niye ya wina se we wepo. He's living, they use the small income may get, they plus out to 20 naira. He go use 1 naira plus to 20 naira. But our dividends of living is on social media. After social media, life not there again. Most of us, our life depends on social media. After social media, Destiny Bagwa me go no bully. Me go no bully. You may do the abroad when no what tell me Destiny Bagwa with social media. Umebe, umwina, imegun wayatana. Unoma we mula webo. Okay, yes. Mekweyo nena, Destiny Bagwa madano. Yes, Mekweyo. Me, I don't agree. People watching us, please, let's agree that, okay, Destiny Bagwa on Matano. Okay, on Madan of Yemala Weibo. Or on Maneke men one era na no ma believe in la Weibo there. On Madan mo la Weibo. Okay, don't know Madan. Then we no mercy. We amego na mego. We fail your bomb so. We pack and got there Weibo. If we are travel, we pack take a luggage you go mood here Weibo. Umajere game we run no Gwalonia, we are there with both. So who could be the good person? Who could be the bad person? Yes, we agree. Okay, yes, we fine. Now bad person. But bad person, they remember, say, Edo State brothers and sisters need to test the sweet parts of the Western world. If his opponent is doing business, but now everybody, people not they get money past Destiny Bagwa for Europe. Why be say intake upon itself with a part JJ Barry 24 bits. You made the talk Destiny Bagwa matter. You know get documents. You know the work for your family member. How many you don't feel carry con Europe for holiday? How many you don't feel carry con Europe? Good evening. How many you don't feel carry con Europe for holiday? Come on, holiday. May your cost spend just 2 days. How many you don't feel carry? Okay, that's what I'm saying. We now Proco they do for social media because me now if when I see people person maybe say I know say bigger than me tell me because the time until they talking matter he go dey elevate me mega don I go you dey don I go dey lead. You say Destiny na bad person. You know what me do people settle. The same Destiny you said is a bad person. You guys are fine. We accept now that Destiny as you claim that is bad. Yes, we accept is bad. Okay. Destiny is a bad person, according to you guys, as you guys are claiming. But this man remember those sons and daughter. And you as a God sent, you as a good person, you have never elevate, motivate, happy hand to any of those sons and daughter. So tell me, okay, wait, I will reply to that comment. You may say you good. Woman say, Mr. Talk Truth, Mr. Talk Clear. You, your family member, might elevated up, might more up la webo. On down. He go bring person may not be family member. He go bring person may not be friend. On your down. 24 people, JJ Barrio, Destiny Bagwa. Okay, tell me now, who could be the bad person among you and I? Who not need the progress? I believe person that does not need the progress of his state. There is nothing, he not believe to do something to promote his state. Yes. There is, he not going to do anything to the promote. Yes, he go Lagos, go to carry all those young artists. Do you know how many young artists in Lagos that need people that we elevate there? Then he go Lagos, go carry young artists, he go to promote Lagos celebrities. But now, no, on Madan, on Majeko, on Majedeta, on Majasaba, on Ariedo, on elevate him and the redo. Now that will be the bad person. Okay, you may not be the bad person. You never feel elevate anybody for social for being made. You say now you like pass, now you be the good person. You never feel help anybody. Rather is to come on media, we start castigating people in the sense of because we are all living our life on social media. We are relevant on social media. Don't you know most of us are inconsequential as the governor of Edo State talker? Most of us are inconsequential, including me talking right now. Most of us are sick. We are inconsequential. I want to appeal to everybody that Destiny Bagwa have moved on. Winnie Magwana is thinking what to do next. He's thinking the kind of business he's going to do next. Where we are taking go umebe umewina. Where we elevate yourself. we ya work where. The man are working yes, we ya work where. They not be one road enter market or dokwa like it. Now different road people they follow enter market. You know they pass one place they see sun. Fide kafasha you goes. We ye bogu we nan we yo boni ma. Now we are them where. Fe na ga we uwufe. Ge no we fe uwuga. Uhyo logo buyewa. All the name, we are all on social media. And this one don't come. I get respect our brothers that is doing well. Like, no, because we are now on social media, we think we can just talk and waiting they even pay me for all those or our people. I don't want to mention another person. Now, only person I just strike the name for them now, which is Destiny. But when will you call people to explain? What are you explaining? Do you think that they on social media they need you owe them any explanation? Just ask yourself. Do you owe anybody explanation? So I want to tell you, Destiny Bagwa have moved on. In Waitana, Yekita no ever no road. He have moved on. At Dazoma Sisino. Or Dazoma Sisino. No, rayon Roma baby. Eto you bok pame, no. Hey, don't give that masses money. You don't give that masses money. Kobe ni mekere social media. Oh, paika. Which is about maybe if I'm not making mistake, maybe it's about 6-8 months ago. And my way Destiny Bagwa Egma. Up till now, he may not bag he might believe what we may not bag. If one go, but the truth have to be said here. We're not tower no man. The you born way we woo. Okay, I will me your social media. A social media when we not feel peke agwa adazema. They mean we use social media who we yahu dogi lalobo dogi oversabi dogi I want to know Destiny Bagwa. I want to appeal to some Edo people that Destiny Bagwa have moved on. Is going further ahead, you know. Two captains can never be in one ship. Whether you are a captain in this side, whether the other one is a captain in this side, does not matter. But there is no way two captains can be in one ship. What you guys are trying to do, you guys want to create big enmity that there will be no room of peace and whatever. Destiny have moved on. Destiny Bagwa have moved on. Who are telling what talo kwakeka? Okay, Mike, let me tell you something. There is something we all refuse to understand here is that when you are shaking a tree that is very mountain, very big, it's like you are shaking yourself. Wanigualo nuwa tell me Destiny Bagwa with live video. Okay, buwa wata. Munda we want no see. Uwe temi yeni. The way ni yewe Cubana chief prince, our president, hire they together do business together. Destiny Bagwa. If Destiny Bagwa might date no person with social media, my sister or my brother. When no watalo or water. When no wawa mueniria, my brother, one oga hanwe, wa we. When no wawa with dele in yogaji, one oga we hanwe, oga we hanwe, wa we. But the truth I must tell you, adazoma sesini, mabe egbe bolozo na mitutu. Owe no mozo wuto si bovore. Emon owe ni mozo wuto or si bovore. Ubege mo. Ono na omo omego no mabule. Okay, it gets tired. It gets swag. Hey, as in also as in you know they see pole Kiko bros you fish you know they see pole his skin not dull. You know they see PS. I'm some dude. Wagati dude. Cute dude. Okay, when we as in more drop the money aside, more talk about the lifestyle now. The person may go feel represent. Oh my god, no more bully. You dey see dude, not be, no they see, you know they see him. Often, see now, papi, you know they see him. Okay, who beg ya see him? Don't want when we be where we bo when we now where we bo. When mighty women you, then you are not saying. I want to tell you that Destiny Bagua have moved on. He had no grievances with anybody, and he believed we are all one of those. I wish he not believe say we are all one of those. They will not be promoting social media. Our Benin artists on social media. He still believe we are together. We are one Edo. So that's why he's still promoting Edo artists, musician on social media. We know who we must say. We know where social media be. The Yobopan where only question. Okay, you said I'm a devil. I accept. But a devil can heal. A devil provide a shelter. A devil can settle your problem. As you said, I'm a devil. And people are watching it. Then you that is angel, you can't provide food. You can't heal anybody. You can't provide shelter. Rather, you are killing people. Then you and I, who is not the devil? Me and you could be the devil. Destiny Bagua, and your back or Oviedo no Rewebo, no Jewebo, no Nigeria Jewebo, no with business, no. Okay, is it no JJ Barry? 24-bit, Destiny Bagua. Inyani de Kewo. Yeah? So my people, I want to tell you guys that Destiny Bagua have nothing to do with whatever you guys are saying on social media. You guys are just saying it on your own. You guys are just saying it on your own. The man have moved on. You are welcome to Destiny Bagua. You are welcome to him. See, na yak bovu no face on one. O leruwe, o bowe no saloba zagmonwe, no mas oge. I bovu no face on one. I yek bon amusi yak bovu one, my brother. Oh, meet him and do business together. How will business ikube? No, I am loyal. The problem we have is loyalty on social media. The problem we have is loyalty. The problem is that we have is pride. The problem is we feel more superior because we are on social media. Loyal to people now or there. Do business. Let people use your 1 naira turn to 2 naira with business. So what you know, you need people that have experience of how to turn 1 naira to 2 naira. People that have experience of business. Yes, but I know what as I did live video, so you can't. I know my boundary. I know my boundary. But wait, wow, it's some, please. We just talk. Okay, do you know what me, person like me, I hate most? For me to do something, then I will still come out on the same live video and apologize. That's why you see me. I hardly apologize to people on live video. Say I don't feel cause this person, then I'll cause a palawo where we sister beg no verse never. Because when I'm on live video, I always construct my word. I hardly apologize and I hardly forgive. That's the kind of person. Then even though when people will say, hey, that I did when no say ni kana go drag it with social media because ina go drag what make yakabwati. But you got hey, I don't know what to say. Because we mighty woman with PlayStation, what you were not. But when on me we one-on-one with what the when go friend garu poko unyo tuma. Oga pa you poko re no when we make be one when we make be kene e kena etina negbe. No get nagele ge when e be queer. That's why people like us, we are very afraid of social media, because most of people, they have no other life after social media. Their own life depends on social media. After social media, you give me life for it. When you imagine after social media, I have a lot of life to offer on social behind social media. But some people don't have any other life behind social media. Okay, but social media, the way no ya my brother. So, but me another life me live after social media. That's why I'm very careful. Me regarding social media, they're very careful. Because I don't know if you are those kind of people that have the kind of heart that I have, the kind of that's why I'm very careful. So I want to appeal to some of those people that please, Destiny Bagwa have moved on. Destiny Bagwa have no problem with anybody, have no grievances with anybody. I don't even feel, if you feel that this person is my enemy. No. Destiny Bagwa. So you guys see him from afar, but try to be close. That is it. So, Destiny Bagwa, please keep on doing what you are doing. Keep on promoting our idol music actors, 24-bit, JJ Barry. Please, you guys, in fact, we want to see the next trip. At least, we want to see the next trip. We want to see our old legends, our young legends. We want to see them tripping in for our celebration. So we need each other. No be I want me go buy yopo. I want me go buy no. When we are mena business waya but ekino wana yes. Waya vinyari maniburo mamejo was 10 years. So but why we vinyari? I will feel at so we need them like that. Why we have comedians, no, bring them so that we see our donors in us. No, nice day in Akmota 24 BT. JJ Barry, Ambassador Destiny Back, why is there in Akmota? So when we are when our team and boom, we I be this group of 24 bits, I be this group of JJ Barry. You guys know ourselves way. Man, social media, we have nothing to offer than to talk. Man, life after social media. Our life depends on this social media. Some of us, away social media for 1 week. I tell you, there will be in a hospital bed for 1 week. Some of us will be in hospital bed because some of us are even depressed. So the only way we can be killing our depression is when we are doing live video, talking to people, insulting people, dragging people's name, so that we'll be using it to be killing our depression. Like most of us did. Life after some of us don't have life after live video. Some of their life, some of us life is depend on live video. So that's why I want to talk rich. So let's go to Comritoni Kabaka. So my Edo people, tomorrow is the second day of the month. So I think tomorrow is the election of a Edo State APC youth leader in Edo State. So I want to appeal to you that as you are watching me right now, or you will watch it later, the only way you can see the improvement of Edo State youth, the only way you can see the dividends of youth in Edo State is by calling your brother, your sister, your friend to what? To vote for Comrade Tony Kabaka Adun, district governor. District governor, in case you don't know him, Naide Sentaso, the man that will make change in our time. Naibida, vote for Comrade Tony Kabaka Adun, the man that will make change in our time. Naibida. So please, I want to appeal to you because it's better for we to have man that know the feelings of the people. No man, be say if we call 3 o'clock like this now, say, Domo, see what you do. Hey, go say, na PA go say, hey, or God is sleep. Or person maybe say, he no go feel represent us. Not be baby English with the fair. My equal is certificate holder. A certificate holder ni mame we do it now. We need person that know the pain of the people, that know the feelings, how the people feel, that know what youth looks like, that know the experience of the youth. So that is the kind of person we need. That it's not that person that we need than Comrade Tony Kabaka. Now he go fit give us that dividends of you. Comrade Tony Kabaka. After Comrade Tony Kabaka, we have APC youth we have youth leader before in Edo State. Have you seen the dividends of it? No. Have you seen one priority of it? No. When youth go to die, do you see anybody come out for it? No. When problem go to happen, are you see anybody coming out for the youth? No. Who speak for the youth? Who talk about the youth? Nobody. Except this man maybe say he never even go for any post that concern the youth. But when youth are fighting, youth are having problem, he's the one speaking out, he's the one talking about it. So let's support him so that we can strengthen his muzzle so that he can do more. So let's vote Comrade Tony Kabaka for APC youth leader, and let's continue from there. So let's go to the other. I thought to say this video not too long. So let's talk about the other of our brother Abat Obaze. Abat brother, I see the video you did that Oga Pepper Soup, presenter analyzer, that masses. Now they only call your name, you never call their name, you never reply them. If they need views, now they call your name. Abat Obaze, let me tell you, wait till you take build your page. They mean now your friends, now your personal life you take build your page. Not be a person talk about you, not be you take the kid that when I was second the page imagine ya. Who fake my first page, not be you. Who keep my second page, not be on that. The time on they do on this thing. This one since I see call your name, now this page cost you 4. Not be people matter, you take build your page. Now your own personal life, now your story, you take build your page about Obaze. The way you talk people matter. Anybody don't talk your matter like that, they build their page. That woman you are talking about, presenter analyzer, I swear to God, me I never talk. I know I've been on once, we don't talk, I don't know, but I don't know, but I know I don't have a number. Listen, if you are looking for the most responsible woman that is not doing beberu on social media, blah 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 blah, that woman will come at maybe number 10 or number 2nd. She don't dance on what is trending on social media, what our women, some of our women are doing, fighting themselves. No, she focused on Edo State politics. And she talk about the Edo State. Abat Obaze, in case you don't know, go and look at that woman video. You talk about Oga Pepper Soup. Yes, Oga Pepper Soup, yes. Okay, if person don't talk about you, why you they talk about people? Oga Pepper Soup, you don't see when they curse you for a live video. Oga Pepper Soup, you born were there about Obaze, my brother. Oh, my God, if you are not telling you, they mean where you be paid you about now your life story, you take build your page. Now your own life story, you take build your page. What you mean don't even talk about you? If you can bring one thing, say I don't talk bad against you, say, or bad say they are bad. I don't know. What you mean don't talk? Is it not what you are doing? I'm saying nobody they talk about you. Just like the drum that you play since yesterday till now. The drum you play yesterday till today, me say you can't give your judgment. Now you take bring this problem of these people now. You don't bring on social media, me you can't see the problem, me you cause now. But on social media, me you cause now. Most of us me don't forget this matter before, me not get topic before. You don't give us new topic again. On social media, no don't get to pay your Tony. More say this matter, why can't it settle? People, sorry. More say this matter, want to settle now. More say this matter, want to settle again now. Iya te we when we be any ya no be you turn no they do say now like social media na be you turn no like social the time when the thing go dey go on you no go talk. Who waka settle in a private. What say una we be do mo ati that go again. Now, you bring it for most of us that does not have topic. You might wait back one. Hey, oh no, madam. Hey, oh no, let's you. Oh, wait, Betty, you turn anyhow with social media. Turn social media now, me cause what you cause. And you are saying they should remove this matter on social media. Now, due to your own way of reasoning of your thinking, Go social media now. Go and look at what you generate again. Then you say people should not talk about you. You say when they talk about you, they get views. Me, Dada Masisi, if I talk about you, they kill my page. Now, sometimes I even fear they talk about your matter. Anytime I talk about you, if I do talk your matter 2, 3 times, 4 times, the next time my page will be streamed. My first page was not during your time. When I do one video about what is it called? That is me saying a paracetamol. Now I did that what did they call that place? Medical store road. After I do that video that go viral, as in the video that go viral, was that video is about maybe close to 1 million. 1 million views. Now you kill him. That page on my way, the second one, he will tell me where it's like 3 times. He nobody else me where we live video about Obaze. He will tell a page in now with the stream was down. Since I start to mention your name again for this my new page now. Oh, wait, Bene. So what am I gaining by mentioning your name? Because anytime you mention anyway, a page you may talk below. But you should not also forget that now people matter you to build after law and a crack team Niger. I've been now your private life, now your story to build crack team Niger. Tell us which story you don't put about yourself for crack team Niger. Tell us how you grow. That makes you have after law and a crack team Niger. I don't know. Tell us your story. See now, go on know that page now. Tell us you want to tell us your story. Maybe you look at that. What that 20 years you go feel build that page. So about stop those things. Stop those things. Maybe they talk because if person not use you grow, why you use person grow? If people not talk about your matter for social media, why you they talk about people? To yesterday to today, now not be people matter you talk. So now you don't create another one for social media. Now they don't start them again. Hey, oh no, I'm down. Hey, oh no, I'm mess you. Hey, oh no, bet you. Oh no, I'm dollar. You don't create them again in case you never know. Go and look since you start those, since you generate the thing again about go and look at social media. They don't get one is for Destiny Bagwana, the other one is for the other person that I'm not going to mention anybody's name here. Now, this matter have been there. Then, so why you say me people not calling it? What is so special about Obaze? Tell me the most special thing about that name. Okay, the people name you are mentioning on your platform. So all those who are not fit tell you now say why did they measure their name? But now when person say if person to talk, you say if you come Nigeria, you go face the penalty. That is what you normally say. Today, man, when those near to your family, my brother. No, they work one, but that one no go me say wetin rifle belong to you. As I talk yesterday, say I no go fit talk about for your matter, but we are one with one time, my brother, because he get social media, ni whatever he gossip or what money. But me get where you are why me personally don't like to mention it because you know why me like to just talk about because you are involved in those state politics. Then now you are not talking about politics, which I cannot deny that. After the election, you said you want to move on with your business, which you are still doing. That you have moved on with your business. If not politics, you go politics. You understand? But how bad? There is something you. Any side we might hear with social media, any policy media, any a JP, any a paranomigo, any the young man we might hear with social media about how do you build your platform? If you can come out and tell us how you build your I can tell you how I build my platform. Me, Dada Masses, I can tell you how I build my 3 platform. Me, you don't key. The first one was 40,000. The second one was 36,000. The third one was 20-something thousand. This one is 14,000. When you don't key, I can tell you the way I build my page. I can give you from January to December the program that I used to build my page. 40,000, 36, 27, and this one you don't stick key now. Calculate and say you leave my first page maybe 40,000. You leave the second one maybe 37,000. 36,000. You do now maybe 26,000. How many thousand be that? Produce one make okay. Imagine the way I build my page. I know the cost person. I know they say no. I know the prognose. I can tell you the way. But can you tell us the way you build your page? Which matter you take build your page? Tell me, say, now this person matter, now this, now my private matter. Me, I build all my pages. We say no to Curtis killing. I build all my page. We say no to Curtis killing. Edo State, we are one big family. What did you take build your own page? Call talker. You build your page by insulting Oshomole, insulting politicians, bringing people, talking people matter, calling people's name. Then you say nobody should call your own name. That's it. No, no man may not be no win your tuma. No man may not go win your tuma. No be so you build your page. No be people head you take build your page. Then when person call your name now, you say you don't want to talk to them. They are using your name to get you. If they not call use your name, get you. Now that person name they'll get you. Bina yara do me don't die. Now name will they make sure we take get you. If we did not talk about the living, should we be talking about the death? We are trying. Oh, where don't matter, no, they give my views. You can't lie. Oh, where don't matter, no, they give my views. Abba, talk about Lagos. Talk about Lagos. Talk about, do live video. Talk about Lagos. I'm challenging you. You see, it don't matter, no, they give you views. Abba, I challenge you. Do live video. Talk about Delta State. Not talk about politics. Talk about people. Talk about person in Delta State. Talk about person in Lagos. It don't matter, no, they give you views. More than 1,030,600 people visit my page every day. How do you not build the page? Me, you say that masses, presenter, analyzer, pepper soup. Now they always they mention my name. Have you ever seen me respond to them when they need view? They come. It won't only views or show. If me they tell you now back. If I mention your name for live video, with my repercussion, maybe they get. Now me they tell you my page they kill them. Anytime I mention I tell you, I'll tell you since when my first page start get problem, the second, the third, plus this one my guess is when I start engaging your name. See this one, for 3 days now, I don't see mention your name. They have succeeded this thing. Take time. Take time. If you want, you don't feel command. If you want to say, Dada, this message is for Dada. Dada must stop calling my name on social media, or stop doing something, stop calling my name on social media, stop doing this on social media. Yes, we will now know that, okay, Dada, the doctor, you say, no, they call your name, no, they measure your name, no, they talk about them, and about me, you know, see, talk about. Once you talk about people, people must talk about you. They won't know the So, how about you are my brother, and that will not stop for Obaseki not to give you your rightful position that belongs to you because you have worked. Now my stand still be my stand. You labor. Obaseki must recognize you. Osakwino Holding, Apostle Alfred, Blessing Aho, this thing. Those one are not even talking. Edo people in diaspora, you guys are not even talking about this. Where our diaspora commissioner, we may there abroad, may vote, may campaign for Obaseki. They don't give us any commissioner now. No. The commissioner not be Edo people. People may there don't say they give yes. We may kill ourselves with the fact. Hey, Obaseki must come. Hey, if not be Obaseki, not be for abroad. Did any commissioner was appointed to any of we in Europe? We may there abroad. Commissioner not fit us. Advisor not fit us. Special enemy not fit us. But when they need help, they will remember we in diaspora. But when the help come, they not go knows whether we may they read us, they read the users they do slave code. When they need help, they remember who is in diaspora. But when the help is already, when they have that offer, they don't remember us again. So Maya Asulo, a commissioner, we not get educated people for abroad here that can represent or that can be a commissioner. Why did they? No, forget that one. So about a Kinuwe Boyoto always want to trade in again. So my people, and before I go, I will still tell our youth. This one is about 10 minutes. I will use 5 minutes to run this on. I will still tell my Edo State youth that please, you being a member of any Curtis group, any confraternity does not really matter, which is, as I said before, I'm going to be dealing on this confraternity courtesan group, this courtesan or different courtesan matters in Edo State every Friday. I'm going to be dealing on that every Friday. Let me tell you, as a young generation, what we refuse to understand, mostly this our generation, is if most of this young generation don't join courtesan, we don't have respect for the elders that we used to respect before. We don't have personal orientation. We don't have reason of going to this confraternity or belonging to any ethnic group of courtesan you choose yourself to be. Listen, if you're a member of Pink, not think say because your courtesan, your confraternity, they tell you, as you don't be member of Pink, so you are more superior than more than all the old colors in your local government or in your terrain. That is what makes our generation always get it wrong. Listen, if you're a member of Pink and you know that brother and a member of orange color and that brother is senior you, the way you can live long in that your area, maybe say if fight day. When if you want to live long, you don't want anybody. Respect that brother, maybe member of purple. Bro, hello, bros. Good morning. I greet you, bros. If we call you, let me bear with. Not be folian. That's in the say. But because this is our generation, once we don't join, like we don't be member of purple, we believe saying if member of orange may senior or send us message, we not go figure what they look and say, now fuck up. This guy gonna send me message. We may get this area. No. I might tell you the most important thing in different color, in any ethnic group of courtesan you choose yourself to be. I'm not against you. You are your own. You don't understand? Your personal self-orientation. Your personal self-orientation determine the way you are going to participate in your different ethnic confraternity group. Listen, the day you join court, that day you choose to life for yourself. In case most of this generation that is going to confraternity, you never know, let me tell you. The day you choose yourself to be a member of any ethnic group, any confraternity, the day you go for the initiation, as you are coming out from your initiation, whatever, believe you choose to live to live. First, you choose to live or you choose to die. You choose to succeed or you choose to fail. Let me tell you the difference and how to live that kind of two life if you want to be one of these two, whether you choose to live or you choose to die. As you went to your initiation ground, as you are coming out from your initiation ground or initiation club, I don't know what they call it, determine if you are to live or you are to die. How? Your personal orientation will not left for you to choose the kind of group you will be following in that the same courtesan. There are 6 groups in one color, one court group, then they get campus. It will now left for you to choose the kind of group you want to follow in that the same color, the same group you belong to. First, if it is that group that is giving tramadol orientation, kind orientation, codeine orientation, Igbo orientation, SK orientation, beer parlor orientation, stealing orientation, raping orientation, kidnapping orientation, or killing orientation. That is one group. When the second group will not be the other group of a responsible married man orientation. Orientation for you to elevate. Orientation for you to learn work. Orientation for you to know how to do business. Orientation for you to get a job opportunity. Orientation for you to mingle with people that is more educated, smarter, older than you so that you can get the right orientation. Orientation of your forefather. The reason why they found your cult group, the reason what your cult group stand for. People that found it, which year, which time, which date. How many people found it? What is the aim and objective of this group? And why did they found the group? Those are the two people you are going to meet as you choose yourself to be any ethnic group. When you follow that side of that kind and all those things orientation, believe automatically your personal orientation that you are supposed to be included to your cultist orientation. You cannot have your personal orientation again. Because why? The orientation of Tramadol, Igbo, and those things have already climbed you. So what you are getting right now is, hey, Alpha, man, you don't play, I play now, or you move. You know the thinker. As long if I wish you get your own personal orientation, you would think that, bro, don't you think it's not supposed to be like that? You use your personal orientation and check and balance things. But now you will not do. Being a member of any confraternity, it does not mean you must kill. You are not killing for your confraternity. You are killing for your personal hatred, for your personal selfish interest. People belong to this confraternity. They have not killed a fly. But why they kill? Because you don't have your personal orientation. You think when you kill and you shout your colored name, that makes you are rugged in the confraternity. No. Let me tell you, whatever you are doing for your confraternity that is creating havoc in your local government is because you don't have your own personal orientation. Ask yourself. You guys, when you are in your forum, they pick people out that this is the capon, this is the second capon, this is the one that will be doing whatever. Why before they choose that person, do you know why? Because they know that person does not have his own personal orientation. He believes on that Tramadol orientation. That's why he was giving it a post of whether slap, beat, kill. Out of that crowd, they will pick one because his own orientation is different than your own orientation. His own concourse is different than your own concourse. You understand what I mean, my brother? So when you think you are killing for color, no, you are killing because you don't have your own personal orientation. When you think you want to go and join court because of they collect your girlfriend, because they collect your phone, because you want court proof, because you want fee, it's because you don't have your own personal orientation. And those are the set of people that bring bad name to the different confraternity ethnic group. Before going into any confraternity, ask the questions. This is what we call lecture. Go for lecture. Ask questions. Know the reason why you are going there. What are you going to offer? Matters a lot. When you imagine there are people that belong to this cult group for 2 decades. They have not dodged a bullet. But you may join yesterday. They know this is going to pursue you for streets today. Because you know why? Because you go into that game without your complete sense. And you come out from inside that game, from your initiation ground without complete sense. Because you have no reason of belonging to the group. You just want to join because maybe your friend say to you, say, can't join us, or you feel that I like the way this brother say they dress. How will you join a cult because you get brother say they dress? How will you go and join a cult because my friend joined? You are not joining a cult because you want them, or you want a big contract, or you want them to assist you in school, or you want them to be giving you job, or you want them to be doing positive things. You know, you go join cult because that brother they wear fine shirt, that brother they drink, that brother they carry woman where. You go join cult because your friend they say, "Cult join us now, we get this time." You shall say you can never elevate. Rather, you will be wrong. They'll pursue you from one place to another. That is it, my brothers. Being a confraternity, to me, it's not a bad thing. I don't support it. I don't support anybody to belong to it. But if you are already in, I'm not against you. And I'm not telling you to leave, but I'm telling you the way you can trade in your ethnic any kind of confraternity. That's why I tell you, the day you choose yourself to be a member of any cultist group, you choose two life to live, whether to live or to die, whether to fail or to succeed. A lot of people have failed because of confraternity. A lot of people have died because of confraternity, but a lot of people have succeeded. 80% out of 100, is only 30% that have succeeded through this different ethnic group. 70% are they are in the wrong part of it. 70% are in wrong part of it. So I advise you, my brother, I advise you, my generation, you that have been practicing the game, please go back to your forefathers orientation. Leave tramadol orientation. Leave that booyaka, rugged, bam, brew, bag. No. Car identity. No. Go back to your forefathers orientation. Let your elders teach you what you need to know. Don't be running away from your orientation. What the problem most of our generation have right now is what? Lack of good orientation. That is the problem of this our young generation that is belonging to one of any ethnic group. Lack of good orientation. Lack of orientation. When they have the rightful orientation, outside this tramadol, Igbo, whatever club orientation, you will see everything will turn around. But because they are afraid for them to go to their forefathers, my brother, go back to your drawing board, go back to your forefather and get your rotation right. Go back to your fathers and get your rotation right. Use your personal orientation to be backing up your own confraternity orientation. Use your what? Personal orientation to be backing. Your orientation is for you to identify yourself. That is what your orientation is meant for. But do you know there is still orientation that can make you succeed in life? There is still orientation that can make you work with any member of any ethnic group, any color. There is still that orientation in your own orientation. But those people you are moving with are not telling you that you can work with member of purple, you can work with member of orange. No, they are not telling you. They only tell you that orientation of, hey, if this purple slap you, go kill him. Hey, as you don't be member of pink, so the person may be purple, not get level for where you dey. So go back to your forefathers. Let them teach you that orientation of you can move with anybody with what? Sense. Let them teach you so that you will not use your personal orientation to excel. Listen, it's only those that build, not only who build us near river, now they know the sound of crocodile is a word. Now who build us near river, now they know the sound, the cry of a crocodile is a word. So my brother, go to your forefather for them to tell you, no for them to tell you how deep what you think you are looking is, and how successful what you think you are looking is. You will see, when you have your right orientation, you will hardly fall into trouble. When you have the right orientation, you will hardly fall into mess. But our generation nowadays, we are running away from the main orientation. We are going after SK orientation. It's not like that. So unity we stand. Don't worry, every Friday I will be talking about this. It's just like it's going to be like orientation class where we'll be educating our youth about this courtesan, the danger ahead of courtesan, and the benefit of it ahead of the courtesan. This is what we are going to be teaching every Friday. So don't forget, every Friday, always join me. Let's educate our people, including those who may sit there abroad. Let's tell them how to excel. You understand? So I love you guys so much. I remain your brother, your friend, Dada Massis. My brother, I'm not against you being a member of any ethnic group. But what I'm against from day one is for you not to know the reason why you belong to that group, for you not to have the rightful orientation, for you not to know that this brother is my brother, this sister is my sister. That is the only problem I have. I have no problem with you. I'm not a God sent. I'm not too righteous. I'm not too kind. I'm not holy. I'm not holy. I'm just a normal. The difference of me and you is that you don't know that this man is your brother. This man is your friend. This man is my colleague. This man, yes, that is different. I drink, I smoke, I club, I womanize. So we just have a little difference. So that's the little difference we have. That is what we'll be using to be educating those that I know I can see educate. And those that can see educate me, they will still come and educate me more. That is how we do. That is how we do. You understand? So now, so it be. So God bless you guys so much. And please, courtesan. If you don't trade well, you being a member of any courtesan, if you don't trade well, you last for only a year before you die. But when you trade well, you last to eternity. Respect those you meet in the street. Whether it's a member of Purple, you're a member of Orange, respect him. He's older than you. Not let your SK orientation carry you away, say you're not good at respecting. If you send a message, you not go. The day you start disobeying that brother, maybe another color, that day you start creating more enmity for yourself. Have you never seen a case person go say, now that brother Kosamo, as fight day, they not come me ask. Do you know why? It's because he was respecting that brother. Yes. So my brother, my sister, my brothers, that not my brothers, respect that man you meet on the street. No matter how small he is, no matter how big, respect him. Respect does not deserve you must lay down. No, hey bro, I greet you, sir. Bye-bye, hello, bye-bye. Stop, it's just like that. So I come in peace. I will also go in peace. That much is so don't worry. Every Friday we'll be doing this program. It's going to be like orientation class where we'll be giving ourselves orientation. So God bless you. Stay blessed and shalom. Good night. That much is so.